Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can unlink or disconnect your Google account from your account on CloudConvert, right? So let us dive into this. So guys, you can do this, for instance, if you don't want to log into your CloudConvert account anymore with your Google account, you can do that once you have connected both. Let me show you how to unlink them. So log into your account on CloudConvert and navigate to your dashboard here in the top right corner. From there, navigate to account here. And then what you want to do is click into integrations and you will see social media apps and logins that may be connected to your account here in CloudConvert. So if you're using Facebook for that or Twitter/X, you may click into Unlink here. As you can see, I can't do that because I have connected only my Google account. So in this case, I would have to click into Unlink. To unlink it, it will also unlink any related Google apps, which in this case would be Google Drive. So if you unlink it here, it will automatically also unlink your Google Drive storage so that CloudConvert can't access your Google Drive cloud anymore. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.